Now very most important topic, that is simple tricks. Application of hyperconjugation. What are the applications of hyperconjugations? That is, first one is stability of carbocation and stability of free radicals and stability of alkenes. What is the order? Stability order of carbocation. First one is stability order of carbocation. So here this stability depends on number of alpha hydrogens. First one, stability depends on number of alpha hydrogen. First find out the alpha hydrogen. What is alpha hydrogens? Alpha hydrogens means what? This alpha hydrogen directly connected with alpha carbon. What is alpha carbon? First, what is alpha carbon? Alpha carbon means positive charge, then next carbon is called alpha carbon, or free radical, then next carbon is called alpha carbon, or double bonded, then next carbon is called alpha carbon. So now here I gave some examples. Find out the alpha stability order of carbocations. So this is the first example, CH3 CH2 plus, this is the carbocation. This carbocation beside carbon is called alpha carbon. This alpha carbon contain three hydrogens. This alpha carbon contains three hydrogens. These three hydrogens are called alpha hydrogens. So this positive charge beside carbon is called alpha carbon. This alpha carbon contain three hydrogens are there. These three hydrogens are called 3 alpha hydrogens. This CH3 CH2 ethyl carbocation contain 3 alpha hydrogens. First one is A is the 3 alpha hydrogens. What about C? Second one, this CH2, this is secondary carbocation. This secondary carbocation, left hand side is one carbon. This left hand side, this positive charge directly connected with left hand side carbon. This positive charge connected with right hand side carbon. So this left hand side carbon is called alpha carbon, right hand side carbon also called as alpha carbon. These both carbon having, left hand side carbon having 3 hydrogen. These 3 hydrogens called alpha 3 alpha hydrogens, and right hand side carbon also having 3 alpha hydrogens. Total, the second compound contain total 6 alpha hydrogens are present. 6 alpha hydrogens are present. And what about third compound? That is tertiary carbocation. In tertiary carbocation, here 3 alpha carbons are there. This tertiary carbocation beside carbon is called alpha carbon, and right side carbon also alpha carbon, and downward also alpha carbon. This tertiary carbocation having 3 alpha carbons. Each alpha carbon having 3 alpha hydrogen. So this left hand side carbon having 3 alpha hydrogen, right hand side carbon having 3 alpha hydrogens, and downwards carbon also having 3 alpha hydrogens. So in this compound, the third compound, total 9 alpha hydrogens are present. Total 9 alpha hydrogens are present. So here, total 9 alpha hydrogens are present. So here stability depends on number of alpha hydrogen. So here stability depends on number of alpha hydrogen. So more number of alpha hydrogens, number of alpha hydrogen is directly proportional to the stability order of stability of carbocation. So here more number of alpha hydrogens are there, that is compound is always more stable. More number of alpha hydrogens compounds are more stable. So here what is the option? A, B, C. Which one is more stable? The A compound, it contain only 3 alpha hydrogen. B compound contain only 6 alpha hydrogen. The C compound having 9 alpha hydrogen. So here what is the stability order here? Now stability order is directly proportional to the number of alpha hydrogens. More number of alpha hydrogens are there, that is more stable. So now here order is C is greater than B, B is greater than A. This is the stability order of carbocation. Stability order of carbocation is the application of hyperconjugation. Now take the one more example. Second example here, this is the also secondary carbocation. This secondary carbocation beside alpha carbon. This alpha carbon having 3 alpha hydrogens, and right hand side carbon also alpha carbon. This is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon, next carbon is beta. This is alpha carbon, and then next one is beta. So we consider the only alpha hydrogens only, don't take the beta carbons, beta hydrogens. So we consider the only alpha carbon. This alpha carbon having only 2 alpha hydrogens. So in this first compound, total number of alpha hydrogens, left hand side 3 alpha hydrogen, right hand side only 2 alpha hydrogen, total 5 alpha hydrogen. In first compound A, total 5 alpha hydrogens. What about second compound? In second compound, this secondary carbocation, left hand side carbon, beside left hand side carbon is directly connected with the left hand side carbon, only alpha carbon. This alpha carbon, right hand side also one alpha carbon is there. This left hand side carbon having only 2 alpha hydrogen, and right hand side carbon also only 2 alpha hydrogen. Total in this second compound only 4 alpha hydrogens are present. So, out of these two, which one is more stable? More number of alpha hydrogens are there, that is more stable. So, out of these two, which one is more stable? So, A is more stable than B. A is more stable than B. Why? Because of A compound having only 5 alpha hydrogens, B compound having only 4 alpha hydrogens. So, we consider the only alpha hydrogens. Don't take all carbons. This left hand side, right hand side, we take the only alpha carbons, don't take the beta carbons. So, this is the A is greater than that of B. So, A is more stable than B. So, here stability is directly proportional to the number of alpha hydrogens. Students, now take the one more example. This is also line structure. This is carbocation. This is CH3. Here only alpha. These 2 alpha carbons are there. These 2 alpha carbons having, each carbon having 3 alpha hydrogens. So, 3 alpha hydrogens. So, total 6 alpha hydrogens. And second one is CH3. It is a secondary carbocation. CH3, CH2, then CH3. Here total, here 3 left hand side 1 alpha carbon, right hand side 1 alpha carbon. So, here total 5 alpha hydrogens. So, in right hand side alpha carbon is there and beta carbon is there. So, only we take the only alpha carbon. This alpha carbon and right hand side carbon only 2 hydrogens. So, total 5 alpha hydrogens. And what about the third one? What about the third example here? This is secondary carbocation. This positive charge. This positive charge left hand side is alpha carbon is there and beta carbon is there. And right hand side also alpha carbon is there, beta carbon is there. So, we consider the only alpha carbon. This alpha carbon having 2 hydrogen, each carbon having 2 hydrogen. So, total here number of alpha hydrogen in C compound, only 4 alpha hydrogens are present. So, what is the stability order of this following 3 compounds A, B, C low? What is the stability order here? B is the more stable. Why? Because of B compound having 5 alpha hydrogen, and A compound having 6 alpha hydrogens, B compound having 5 alpha hydrogen, and C compound having only 4 alpha hydrogens. So, what is the order? Now, stability order is A is greater than B, B is greater than C. This is the stability order of following carbocation. So, stability order is directly proportional to the number of alpha hydrogen. Now, last compound, now take the here cyclopentane carbocation. Here this carbocation having 2 alpha hydrogens, the cyclic structure having only 4 alpha hydrogens, and this is positive secondary carbocation, this CH3, and here also 1 hydrogen, here also 4 alpha hydrogens. And what about this one, this CH3 and H, here also 4 alpha hydrogens. And what about this one, CH3, CH2 and CH2, here 7 alpha hydrogens. So, these 4 all are equal, students. These 4 all are equal. So, highest stability is this D compound is more stable than out of these 3. So, out of these 4, which one is more stable? D compound is more stable. Why? Because of it is the more number of alpha hydrogen in the 7th compound. In this D compound, this is tertiary carbocation. This tertiary carbocation having CH3, here 3 alpha hydrogens are there, beside 2 alpha hydrogens are there, and left hand side also 2 alpha hydrogens. So, total 7 alpha hydrogens are present. So, this is very most important. So, if you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.